Hi, I'm Siddhi Gupta and I'm part of the team that runs the Creative Education program at SMI. The world is changing at an unprecedented rate. From dealing with the health crisis to keeping up with how technology is changing, the core skill we need as humans today is to be able to learn. And the Creative Education program focuses on designing learning experiences. In the first year, you learn how to observe, take note, and make conscious decisions and understand the complexities of the world around us. In the second year, you learn how do people learn, what are their motivations, what drives them to learn, what works for them, what is the environment that they need to be able to actually learn and then implement it. In year 3, you start designing components of learning experiences, you are embedded in communities, you step out of college and you design learning experiences. In the final year, you find your purpose, you take a position and with confidence, establish your practice, get out into the world to launch yourself. Creative practices are deeply embedded with the world around them. Today, from banking to government institutions, need experts in learning and you can enter any of these fields after you've studied creative education at SMI.